Wait, take. Hold this one. Look at where my hand go. Smoke.
In the heart of Abuja, where bees from Slasita Farms flaps their wings with joy to bring home some nectars, stands proud a beekeeping wonderland. From the buzzing hives to golden combs so sweet, Slasita Farms bees gather nature's nectar, a symphony complete. Where our bees are nurtured and taken care of, their wings weave melodies, a harmonious hum. Pure natural honey, the liquid gold from the comb, a taste of Slasita Farms labor, a gift from our bees. Slasita Farms empowering Nigerians through our technical know-how, creating financial sustainability from one community to another as we make modern beekeeping equipment available too. Where our bees are nurtured and taken care of, their wings weave melodies, a harmonious hum. Get your Slasita Farms, pure natural honey, liquid gold from the comb, a taste of Slasita Farms labor, a gift from our bees. Equipment's clean like treasures, tools of our trade. Smokers, veils and frames, the beekeepers parade. We wear our suits with pride, protectors of the hive, guided by tradition as generations thrive. Where bees dance in the sun, their wings weave melodies, a harmonious hum. Pure natural honey, liquid gold from the comb, a taste of our labor, a gift from our home. Empowerment blooms here like wildflowers in spring. We teach the next generation the joy the bees bring. Workshops echo laughter, hands-on and true. As dreams take flight, and the sky turns blue. Where our bees are nurtured and taken care of, their wings weave melodies, a harmonious hum. Get your Slasita Farms, pure natural honey, liquid gold from the comb, a taste of our labor, a gift from our home. So raise your jaws of honey, let the ocean sound. Forever our roots in the ground, from hive to heart we thrive, our legacy strong in this sweet symphony.